But I know it's very late. I think it's like right now it's 11:28. Not that late. It's about to be midnight, but I know you guys can't see anything. I heard a banging from my window, from the living window, and so I was scared. I just want to put my camera on, and just like tell you guys. That's all I really gotta say. I know it's a very short video, but all I really want to know is tell you guys that I just heard a bang and like a like this boom 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 boom. That's all I heard. Like legit, that's all I heard. Like boom 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 boom. Now when I had to look out the window, there was nothing there. That's how scary it was. Like bruh, it was scary. I know that's all I gotta say, guys. Peace. Come back with a brand new video tomorrow. Bye.